Yes, it's full speed everywhere. We make the ship ready for moving tomorrow, and we clean it up during winter. Soon we should put linseed oil, tar on everything and so on. So it's full speed everywhere.
I'm from Florida. On the East Coast, I live right on the beach. I've been following this ship for years. I've always wanted to sail on it, so this has been an awesome opportunity. I've worked on a lot of boats, but never one of this scale, so I'm super excited.
Good afternoon. I'm Craig Olson.
It's Mike Thomas.
Cafferty.
Thomas.
Mark.
I'm Aaron.
Oh, I'm Zach.
Amy.
My name's Mike.
Sean Miracle.
Mari. Elizabeth.
I'm Helge.
Of course it's working. Slowly. Patience. This new part for the winch. I don't know what happened to it. I'm just making a new one.
We're taking out the rudders from our container. They've been in storage for a while, since we haven't sailed, and we're bringing them out so we can do some maintenance. I think about 10 people, or maybe a bit more, I need to carry them. It's always good to have one extra.
Down. Back this way. Come up. That's okay. We'll put it down first of all.
You order the spare parts? You in charge for that? He's in charge for that.
I don't know the English name, but it's a burner, and we're gonna heat up a bolt who is stocked, and then it's probably get loose. Kom han? Ja. Aha, fy fan du.
Engineering is not my department.
You meet up! That counts for something.
You're a fantastic sailor.
This is amazing. It's amazing that we've gone back and honored, kind of a traditional build, and the unique design of a ship like this is still something that we study in school. It breaks a lot of convention in its design for seafaring ships. This is all very much an opportunity for me to be very nerdy, and I apologize.
We're all very nerdy here.
Good.
So that's a good thing.